Good day everyone and welcome back to Isa Digital. As you all know, my name is Emmanuel Akile and I'm a lover of Christ. And today's tutorial, which is going to be a pretty short one by the way, I'm going to be showing you how to use characters for Mixamo, and after reading them you can bring them into Blender and also use them for animations. Okay, so this is a character imported straight from Mixamo. I just read them with Mixamo, but I can't generate a rig with 3D5. I do not know why. But I found a method in which you can use to just make the entire process very simple. So first is whether you have to go to Mixamo, get a character or any skin, or if you've created a character yourself, you can upload that character in Mixamo like this, then read the character. I believe you need to do that on your own. Then once you have downloaded the character, do not add any animation by the way. If you want to add custom animation that you make yourself, just download the character. Then you just like a quick Google search, just add for the Mixamo add-on for Blender, something like that, then to redirect to this site, get the add-on, download something like that. I mean, this is here over here. Then you just have to come back into Blender, preferences, install. I believe your Blender users will do that on your own. When you've installed the add-on into Blender, when you press N on the keyboard, there should be this panel that for only Mixamo and so once you've done that, everything with character, to be able to read our to be able to make animations of our character, so to speak, you can just come here, make sure it's the amateur you're selected, and create control rig. You can create the control rig for the selected amateur, apply animation. We don't have any animation, so we're not applying anything. So IT outside and K legs. Then as you can see, it's like created sort of a rig for our character. Then we can just come here into pose mode. Then we can just move this around, rotate our character's head, come here as well, rotate, then bring them up and down, rotate them like so. For the legs, you can make animations, keyframe, and that's just basically it for today's tutorial, guys. If you want more tutorials like this, quick and short tutorials like this, like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload more tutorials. So that's it, guys. Remember, Jesus Christ loves you. Peace.